Hey guys, if you're seeing this video you probably want to find out how to play some Fortnite when you're away from your PC. In this video I will show you everything step by step. I need to tell you something really important before we are doing anything. You cannot find this game on the Google Play Store. So before installing it, make sure that you're okay with the terms and conditions of this game. First of all, you need to search for Fortnite Mobile on your browser. If you cannot see it, click on the link in the comment section. You can also access it by using this QR code. If you're downloading this using a Samsung phone, you will see that it is available on the Epic Games and Samsung Galaxy Store as well. If you are downloading it using another Android device, you will find only the Epic Games app. But that's just fine. After tapping on the icon which says get it on the Epic Games app, the download pop-up will appear. After that you need to tap on the download button. Now press open file as you need to locate the download file and open it to begin the installation. The third step is to update your browser settings to allow installs from this source, and finally click on the install button on the bottom. After the app is installed, just click open. Now you should see this, and you can choose between two games. Obviously we are going for Fortnite, so press Fortnite. Now tap on install. After the app is installed, tap launch. This will open the Fortnite app for you. Here you can choose between finding your old account or creating a new one. After successfully signing into your account, you will need to accept the Fortnite End User License Agreement. Yes, the fancy way of saying terms and conditions. If you accept those, click on Allow and now install. A little window will pop up and will ask you to not close the app while it is installing. To be honest with you, the installation went smoothly even when I was responding to messages using the Messenger's chat hats. After the game is installed, you need to do one more thing. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. If you think it was useful, smash that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one.